Hi everybody, Dana Sparks, broker of Maximum on Greater Atlanta Realtors. Today's contract tip has to do with agents being in a holding company or a referral company and Georgia real estate or GREC license laws. So let's get into it. So the biggest question I have been getting lately is I am a real estate agent and I am in a holding company or a referral company. May I market my services for referral business to solicit referral business? And what do I have to do if I want to sell my own home, buy a home, rent a home, or lease a home? And the issue is, the overriding question is, I am an agent in a holding company. Are license laws, must I still adhere to license laws? That's the bottom line. And the bottom line answer is yes. So I'll just cut to the chase and tell you yes. Here's the issue. The issue is when you are in a holding company or a referral company. And in essence, what that is, there are several real estate firms that label themselves or call themselves, like I said, a holding company, meaning they just hold your license, or a referral company because you can only do referral business. Those firms do not let you, agents in those firms do not actively practice real estate. They typically do not interact with members of the public. They may send referral business. They may solicit like from past clients or colleagues or friends or family or whatever. They can still have real estate business, but they can't actively service the business. They can't actively interact with clients. They must refer that business to another real estate agent, and they are allowed to be paid a referral fee. So typically agents in a holding company does not, or a holding company in and of itself does not charge an agent errors and omissions insurance. Likewise, agents in those companies typically do not have access to any MLS system, so forth and so on. So that's the nature of a holding company or referral company. Agents have worked long and hard to get their real estate license. They want to keep their real estate license, but they just don't want to actively practice for the time being, whether that be based on whatever's going on in their lives, if they are just for whatever reason, for a temporary period or a moment in time, or they could be at the end of their career, or this just could be how they choose to do real estate. They don't really want to actively interact with members of the public, but they still have a license. So the question is, are license laws incumbent upon those agents in a holding company, or must those agents adhere to license laws? And as I said, yes, the answer is yes. You still hold a license issued to you by the state of Georgia. And just parenthetically, even if you are an inactive license, you still hold that real estate license. So you still must adhere to license laws in Georgia. And getting back to, so let me go back to the referral business. There are a lot of agents in a holding company that do want to go ahead and market themselves and market their services as a referral agent. So what specific license laws must they adhere to? And like I said, all of them, but specifically with regards to marketing and advertising, they must look through the GREC advertising laws, which is the Georgia Real Estate Commission, or GREC Rule 520-1-.09. And they have to look at the rules specific to marketing of all advertising and all marketing. Likewise, even if you are an inactive agent, if your license has lapsed or it is on inactive status back with GREC, you too must adhere to all of license laws, which include OCGA, Official Code Georgia Annotated, Chapter 43, Title 40, and GREC Rule 520-01. So then the question is, but I don't really get it. I'm in a holding company. Well, The issue is GREC, the Georgia Real Estate Commission, still looks at a holding company as an actively licensed firm registered with the Georgia Real Estate Commission with a qualifying broker. And GREC does not look at agents in that firm any differently than agents in any other active firm that is registered with the Real Estate Commission with a qualifying broker. Now, the policies and procedures of that specific company, holding company, typically are such that agents that have their licenses in that firm may not interact with the public on an active basis, don't necessarily have E&O insurance, don't have access to FMLS or Georgia MLS because those firms aren't members of any specific MLS service. So again, as far as GREC is concerned, it's an active firm just like any other. It is the policies and procedures of that firm, just like policies and procedures of active firms differ from one another. That's one of the reasons that's how you as an agent choose which real estate broker and brokerage firm to hang your license with, is based on their policies, their procedures, what they have as far as how you get paid commission splits, what they offer, so forth and so on, whom the broker is, so forth and so on. That is just another set of, again, policies, procedures, information affiliated with that firm that, and just, I guess, colloquially, I don't know what other adjective to give to it right now, but basically that's what we call it, is a holding company, because agents in a holding company just can do referral business. So again, I hope this helped answer a question. I've been getting it actually a lot lately. Yes, you must still adhere to license laws. You must still keep an active real estate license, meaning you must renew your license every 4 years with the Georgia Real Estate Commission. You must maintain all of your CE credit right now. This is 2022, 36 hours of CE. 3 of those 36 must be on the topic of license law as an approved license law course approved by GREC. If you were to not want to do that, then you would have an inactive license that would not be held by a broker in any sort of brokerage firm, but it would just be back with GREC. Hope this information, hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, please click on this one right here. I hope you will like that one too. And my name is Dana Sparks. I attempt to make even the most complicated of real estate questions crystal clear. I am the qualifying broker of Maximum One Greater Atlanta Realtors. If you are interested, we do also have a holding company, and I would love to chat with you about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dana Sparks, broker of Maximum One Greater Atlanta Realtors, satisfying your needs with service, innovation, and education. Bye.